This is a presentation about how counterclaims can make your argumentative writing stronger. In the past few lessons, you've been learning about the different parts of a meal argumentative paragraph. Remember, the whole purpose of an argumentative paragraph is to make a claim on a topic and provide evidence, analysis, and a logical conclusion to back up your position. Ultimately, the goal is to convince others to agree with your claim. One convincing way to strengthen your argument is to include a counterclaim along with your claim, and that is the topic of this lesson. In your argumentative paragraph, the claim is what you are arguing. It is what you want to convince others to agree with. On the other hand, the counterclaim is the opposing viewpoint, or what your opposition might say in response. To call back to the red vines Twizzlers paragraph, the example would be that red vines are better for you. The counterclaim would be that Twizzlers are better. If we take the voting example, the claim would be that mandatory voting should not be enforced with legal punishment. The counterclaim would be that voting should be mandatory for all citizens. On the next slide, you will practice identifying counterclaims by matching each claim with their corresponding counterclaim.